Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. My name is Ana Pinella. I'm a senior project manager for Beta I, the coordinator for this project. We are here to talk about the Atlantic Smart Ports Blue Acceleration Network. It's a European project funded by the European Maritime and Fisheries Fund of the European Union. This is the first webinar of AspBAN. Okay, here is the agenda. So first of all, we will start by giving you a short introduction of what it is, the project. So what is the Atlantic Smart Ports Blue Acceleration Network? Then we will talk about the partners of the project, specifically the partners involved in this innovation program, okay? Then we will talk about the acceleration services per se. So the program structure, the benefits, the mentors, and all that is involved in this program. Then how to apply to the program, the selection criteria, and then we will have an open floor for a Q&A. Thank you.
Hello, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So first of all, just to give you a bit of context of what is this project. The Atlantic Smart Port Blue Acceleration Network project is related to the Atlantic Action Plan, more specifically to the Pillar 1, okay, so ports as gateways and hubs for the blue economy. We target two goals of this Pillar 1, so Goal 1, which is ports as gateways for trade in the Atlantic, and Goal 2, ports as catalysts for business. So for Goal 1, sorry, ports as gateways for trade in the Atlantic, this is a project that involves the Atlantic Strategy Committee member countries, which is Portugal, Spain, Ireland, and France. Okay, so one of the objectives is also to improve connectivity between these areas. There's a need and an opportunity also for the Atlantic, specifically from these countries, okay, but for the Atlantic area, to diversify their revenue sources of their business module by acting not only in the core areas of cargo and passenger handling, which, as you know, is the main areas for most ports, but also being the main playground ecosystem for the development of new blue businesses and of a sustainable ocean economy. There's a need for an acceleration services platform that enables this policy and business need and opportunity. And this is where AspBAN, or the Atlantic Smart Port Blue Acceleration Network, comes in. Okay? So the main objective, sorry, go back, please. Okay, the main objective here is to launch the building blocks that will found this dynamic acceleration services platform for Atlantic ports to work as blue economy hubs, okay? And as I said before, diversifying their business model and revenue sources. This is the most important thing. Okay, please, can you move on? So the main concept for this network is the logic behind it is to deploy from start a representative and diverse open innovation, acceleration and investment ecosystem network with the participation of not only the countries from the Atlantic Strategy Committee member countries as Portugal, Spain, France and Ireland, but also other countries that are in our network, which, for example, this is just an example, okay? Netherlands, Switzerland, Norway, Canada, United States, Italy, Mauritania, Morocco, Colombia, India, China, and many other countries that are also in our network. And also using an open innovation approach with partners distributed by 6 core stakeholder groups. So here we have a lot of stakeholders represented in AspBAN, okay? So we have ports, not just the ports themselves, but ports authorities and also port associations, blue accelerators, blue clusters, the industry, investors in finance, and also policy entities. Okay, can you move forward, please? So what are the main goals of the Atlantic Smart Port Blue Acceleration Network? So we aim to identify 10 common blue economy challenges in the ports community, attract 450 startups for the acceleration program. So not just this program, but both programs in AspBAN. I'll show you a bit further ahead. Then the third main goal is to achieve a final pool of 30 innovative startup solutions that will develop pilots in 30 Atlantic ports. Okay, 50 pilots So there will be companies doing it in more than one port, okay? Attract 6 million in direct private investment, mobilize 5 billion of potential private investment. So amongst the now it's 16 investment funds, we have Dubai Ports World, which is the world's largest port operator, and is also an AspBAN strategic partner, okay, which only them have a private fund of 4.5 billion for investing in ports and marine infrastructures. Then we aim to achieve a reduction of at least 100,000 tons of CO2 in the operations of these 30 ports. It's very ambitious, I know, and we hope we can achieve it. Then we have in AspBAN, so in the project that it's going to last for 2 years, okay, we have 2 innovation programs. So we have the Acceleration Services program, which is this program that we are here to talk about today. And then we will have an acceleration scheme or an open innovation program in the 2nd year of the project. So in this project, we also develop 4 databases, okay? We have the ports database, we have an experts and mentors database, an investors database, and the funds for pilots, okay? So specifically to fund pilots. So these will also be available during the project.